In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Invotide app. So for you to use the Invotide app, once you download it from the App Store, you go ahead and open it. So you can see that in the landing page, we have two options. We can create new store or we can manage existing store. So let's say we want to create a new store. To do that, we select the create new store option. So this will enable us to set up the web address for our new store. So we type in the business name. This can be our business name or any catchy word. So let's type in, we say test bees. So this should be, this is just as an example, say test bees 20, and then we proceed. So once you enter that, it will show you a summary of the service that you get. So for this example, we are using the free trial. So this is a 30-day free trial. So the next thing we do here is we click on the continue button. So here we'll now proceed to enter our information. So if you currently have an existing client account with the Invotide service, you can click on the button here and then enter the client account. So I currently have an account. So for this example, I'll use the test account. All right. All right. So this is just the test account. All right. So now we are logged in. We'll now proceed to enable the capture. All right. So we select them. All right. All right. So we'll now proceed to complete the order. Click on the button. So we wait for the process to complete. All right. So we'll now have to wait for the SSL certificate to the process to complete for the SSL certificate. So during this process, we have to leave this page open. So we'll remain on this page until the countdown completes. So this will take approximately 60 seconds. All right. So once the SSL certificate has been issued, you get this page. It says new online store has been activated. So what we'll now do now, once we get to this page, is for us to proceed, we'll need to copy the store URL. So we'll go ahead and copy the store URL here. So we copy it because we'll need the store URL for the next step. So once we copy the store URL, we click on the back button. So in the app landing page, we click on the manage existing store button. So here we'll now proceed to click on add existing store button here. And then we add an image for this, can be the logo. So we copy this. So this is just an example, right? We enter the store name. This should be the name of your business. All right. So here where it says store URL, this is where we will now paste the URL that was generated when we created the store. So I'll go ahead and paste it. All right, so this is my own URL here. Yours will look a little bit different. So once you paste it here, you click on the add store button. All right, so now we have added the store to the app. So this is the login details we use to log into the store for the first time. So we have the username as admin and the password here. Once we copy these login details, we click on the proceed to login button here. All right. So this will now open the admin panel login page. So here we'll now proceed to enter the username that was provided in the page. So we enter the password here as well. So once we enter this, we can now log into the admin panel. So here we'll now proceed to set up we can select any of these options to begin the setup process for the new store. So if you click on this back button here, you notice that when you go back to the app screen, you can see that the new store has been added here. So if we select manage existing store, you see that your new store has been added. So selecting it, you can see you have about 4 options. You can manage the store, you can view the storefront, you can share the store, and you can remove the store from the app. So note that removing the store from the app doesn't delete the store. It just gives you an avenue to, maybe if you want to temporarily remove it, you can always add it back to the app by going back here and clicking on the add existing store button to add the store back here. So let's say we want to manage the store. We select the store here and click on the manage store option. All right, so this will take us back to the store admin panel. So from here, we can proceed to set up the store. All right. So these are the options we have here. So once we get to the last step here, we can activate the admin panel by selecting this button. So this is just an example on how you can use the Invotide mobile app. Thank you for watching.